So the sound that you heard just now is not from a WWE star Undertaker. It's actually a giant clock which is out there. See this auto guy ruining it for everyone, dude. See, that old person has manners and he knows road rules. So he's standing on a zebra crossing near a hump and waiting for the traffic to clear. If more people can do that right, there won't be zombies in Bangalore or anywhere in India for that matter. Those two people were high as hell, man. It's not even green and people are losing their shit. I'm not able to see the signal because the sun is right ahead, you know. Use the old technique and find out what's the timer on it. I would want you to do something like this. That Platina guy was really good. He understood what has to be done right and he made way for the ambulance. That's really cool, guys. ಆರಾಮಾಗೋಗಿ. Always please respect old people, guys. You know, they get scared for the smallest of reasons, and so you have to be polite with them and make sure you are good to them, right? So that is a request from me to all of you. I know you are already doing it. It's not like I'm doing it and I'm asking you to follow it. If you are doing it already, very good. If you are not, and if you haven't got the chance at all, and if you get a chance, make sure you are polite to them. Even my parents are at an age of 60s, and so I know how to take care of them. So if you consider other people being in the same age group, right, you would want to do the same favor to everyone and make sure they are not scared or something like that, and keep them happy and safe on the roads. Hey, right, okay, right?
Yeah.
Hi, dude. Yeah, I was in Jayanagar doing this vlog about Activa, and I spotted my friend Raidoge here. Please do subscribe to his channel. He's really good and a very good friend of mine. He has joined me in a lot of videos like South Indian Motovlogger Meetup or something like that. And he owns a RS200, which you know is favorite bike of India. So do follow him, guys. He does really funny videos which I really like. I hope you get a lot of subscribers, dude. You really deserve it.
Thank you, bro.
Chalo, I was here with my Didi for some reason,
Okay.
and I spotted you while I was going back. Anyways, chalo, have a nice day.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Bye bye.
Bro.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದು.
Recording ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನೀವು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆಂಗೋ ಪೆದ್ದವ್ರ ಥರ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ನಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದು ಗುದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Even my parents are at an age where the RX sometimes ruins my vlog, you know. This is the behind the scenes that happens. I want to just blog about some thought, and it ruins it. It really ruins it for me sometimes.